How's it going, everybody? We made it to camp in the Uintas, and there's a little bit of snow. I was worried coming up because it's been like 60, 65 degrees in the valley. It's insane for December. It was looking pretty dry on the way up here, but maybe a few miles back, all of a sudden, you could see all the snow on the ground. So kind of a relief. Went up a little bit further, and we found this cool secret camp spot. Kind of nice. You've got a fire ring, a table, and a place to ourselves. This trip, we've got the kids, and they're out exploring over there right now. And this is probably their first legit, maybe not legit, there's not that much snow, but it's snowy. It's a snowy camp adventure. It's probably about 50 out right now, and only supposed to get down to like 32 at night, so not too bad. But we're gonna do a real fire tonight. And anyways, I'm gonna go get everything set up. Okay, I'll tell you, it's a lot of work trying to set up camp and keep track of two kids, and especially when they're getting snow all over and trying to make sure they don't get totally soaked and destroyed before night. But finally, they're inside staying warm. We've got the diesel heater running, and just getting the fire going here. So we'll get them back outside. But yeah, it's finally starting to get cold. And we've got the diesel heater running right there. And cook some dinner soon. All right, we're just enjoying some hot dogs. Of course, I forgot the ketchup and everything, so it's just hot dogs and buns. But
all right, good morning. Made it through the night. Looks like it only got down to 27 degrees. So not too bad. Stayed about 64 inside the camper with the heater hooked up. Kind of toggled it between low and medium throughout the night. But didn't get to film too much yesterday. It got a little too hectic and too crazy with everybody. But roasted some marshmallows and had the hot dogs. Heard some coyotes off in the distance for several minutes, and then they kind of went away. But I don't know if we showed this yesterday. There's a little snowman they made. But I'm gonna try to make breakfast now.
gonna gamble a little bit for breakfast today. So I've got this cast iron waffle maker, which I got specifically for camp trips. And I've only tried using it twice now. The first time was a complete failure. And it burned and everything stuck to it, and I didn't have any cooking spray. I shouldn't have even tried. Didn't use it in a while after that. Second time, right before this trip, tried again. Accidentally got olive oil cooking spray, which is not great for high temperature. So ended up smoking a lot. Made it work. And the first one, so second ever waffle with this, also did not go great. It didn't burn. It way overcooked. But fortunately it didn't stick. So we had the cooking spray. And just gotta persevere, keep trying. Practice makes perfect. And kind of honed in the temperature a little bit better. And finally the second and third waffles turned out pretty good. So, oh yeah. Let's see how the first one turned out. Yeah, perfect. It's actually, let's get this thing off. All right, the learning curve was steep, but I think we nailed it, or at least it's a little easier to keep it in control. It's a little colder out, but kids are loving it. Here's number 2. Hey, time for dishes. Time to scrub. All right, we're all packed up, and that ends our adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hiking, camping, and other adventures. See ya.